This one of 18th is only umbrella. It's only what? Umbrella. We are finished with Obi. We are finished with Asuwaju. What we are now doing is River State. And River State is umbrella. A vote for Toye Cole is a vote for division of River State. A vote for Toye Cole is a vote in order not to return our 50 million US dollars. And God will not allow us to vote for such people. We are prosecuting them. They want to run away from prosecution. They cannot. Why did he not, when he was governor for 8 years? Why did he not do it? You are now bringing one who does not know how to speak his language, whom we are prosecuting for stealing our 50 million US dollars, who continue to live in peace because we are all together. The Igbos have been here doing businesses with us. We intermarry and do everything. So we are all one. I'm sure our Igbo brothers know he's a big liar. He's a destroyer. When he was running for president, he said he believed in Southern president. Because they did not give him the ticket, he abandoned the Southern president and now supporting the Northern president. He said he loved the Igbo people. But Obi was running now. He refused to support Obi. Now he has failed and come back. He now wants the Igbos to give him support and begin to make promise something he knows he cannot.